All right, explain this to me like I'm a 2-year-old, okay? Because there's an element to this thing I just cannot get through my thick head.
If you could write a book on the man that you once were, would you write about drinking or would you write about her? If you could just go back to the places you once been, would you run back to her arms or back to low down when he made a big mess of all the songs he wrote? Sing to you come daylight.